So 146 MCQ says that sun ray fungus is what? Actually Actinomyces aeriale. Which agent on addition to a colony inhibits its growth and on removal the colony regrow is? So this bacteriostatic. Okay, griseofulvine is obtained from, so we obtain from Penicillium griseofulvine. Beta lactam ring is present in penicillin. Then 150 MCQ says that all of the following drugs act as on cell membrane except colicin. Colicin doesn't act. Then we have 151 which says that cycloserine related to amino acid in structure, so it is actually alanine. In tuberculosis therapy mainly used antibiotic is, so in tuberculosis we mostly use cycloserine. The antibacterial action of penicillin is due to its effect on cell wall synthesis. Then we have 154 MCQs which says that the antibiotic produced from Bacillus subtitle is, it is actually the bactricine. 155 MCQ says that bactricine sensitivity test is done for, so it is done for group A streptococci. 156 MCQ says that the effect of antibiotics on microorganism is mainly due to, so it is mainly due to inhibition of cell wall damages to cytoplasmic membrane, inhibition of, so we can say all of the above, so D is the correct option. 157 MCQ says that the antibiotic acting on a cell wall is bactricine, D is the correct option, all of these above. Then we have 158 MCQs which says that the erythromycin belongs to chemical class of the antibiotic, so it is the macrolides antibiotics. Okay, then we have bacterial resistance to antibiotic is transmitted by, it is mostly transmitted by the plasmid. D is the correct option. 160 MCQ says that erythromycin inhibits protein synthesis by attaching to 50 subunit unit of or ribosome, so we can say B is the correct option. 161 MCQ says that the function of THFA means the tetrahydrofolic acid coenzyme that include, so it is actually the amino acid synthesis and thymidine synthesis, so we can say D is the correct option, both A, B. 162 MCQ says that the resistance to drug in tuberculosis developed by, it is developed by mutation. D is the correct option. Then we have 163 MCQs which says that which of the following is penicillinase resisting acid label penicillin. So the correct option is methicillin. D is the correct option. Which of the following does not inhibit cell wall synthesis? So for this the correct option is amikacin is not the cell wall inhibitor. The anti-tumor antibiotic act by inhibiting the DNA structure and function. D is the correct option. 166 MCQ says that drug resistance to sulfonamide is due to the folic acid synthetase enzyme. So B is the correct option. 167 says that amoxicillin is combined with claminamic acid to inhibit what? So it actually inhibits the beta lactamase enzymes. D is the correct option. Drug of choice for methicillin resistant staph aureus is, so it is vancomycin. D is the correct option. Nalidixic acid activity is due to, so it is due to the inhibition of DNA synthesis. A is the correct option. Then we have 171 MCQs which says that the best test for the susceptibility of the microorganism to antibiotic and other chemotherapic agent, so this is the tube dilution paper disc, so we can say both A and B is the correct option. C is the correct option. 171 MCQ says that the smallest amount of chemotherapeutic agent required to inhibit the growth of the organism in vitro is known as what? MIC, minimum inhibitory concentration. A is the correct option. 72 MCQs. 172 MCQ says that the clear zone formation around antibiotic disc is due to, so it is due to the lysis of bacterial cells surrounding the disc. Okay, so B is the correct option. 173 MCQ says that bactricine is obtained from B subtitle. 174 MCQ says that the vancomycin is obtained from, so it is obtained from Streptomyces orientalis. So C is the correct option. Then we have electum antibiotic are what? Electum antibiotic are penicillin and cephalosporin. So we can say A and B is the correct option. So I think 175 MCQs will be enough in this video. Inshallah, in the next video we will explain other MCQs that will be related to the medical microbiology. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.